Have you ever noticed that your child is a man of few words at the dinner table, but suddenly becomes a philosopher when talking to the librarian, a coach, or even a random seatmate on a plane? It hurts, right? You're the one who changed their diapers and knows their favorite cereal, yet they're pouring their heart out to someone they barely know. Today, we're looking at the psychology behind why kids, especially teens, filter themselves with parents, and why a stranger is often the easiest person to talk to. The biggest reason isn't a lack of love, it's the stakes. When a child talks to a parent, they carry the weight of your expectations. They know your values, your disappointed face, and your history of lectures. They fear disappointing you. They care what you think more than anyone else. Talking to a stranger is low stakes. If the stranger thinks they're weird or made a mistake, it doesn't change their home life. And then there's the fix-it reflex. As parents, we want to help. But when a kid says, "I'm stressed," and we immediately jump to, "Well, you should sleep more," the conversation dies. A stranger usually just listens because they don't feel responsible for fixing the kid's life. Part of growing up is becoming a separate person. To you, they are still your baby, but a stranger sees them as they are right now. Talking to someone new allows a child to test a version of themselves that isn't tied to their childhood reputation. Kids also feel like parents are biased. If they tell you they want to quit something like soccer, they expect a reaction or a fight. But if they tell a stranger, they often get a simple, neutral response like, "Why's that?" That neutrality feels safer. Here's the ironic truth. They stay quiet because they feel safe. They spend all day holding it together at school, and when they get home, they finally let their guard down. Sometimes that looks like silence or short answers. They're not performing anymore. They talk to strangers because they have to maintain a social mask. They're quieter with you because they don't feel the need to work to keep your attention. You can't become a stranger, but you can adopt some of that energy. Try listening without immediately fixing. Ask, "Do you want me to listen or do you want advice?" Listen more than you talk. And try having conversations side by side, like in the car or while doing something together, because direct eye contact can sometimes feel like pressure. If your child is talking to other healthy adults, take a breath. It's not a rejection. It means you've raised someone who knows how to seek support and express themselves. What's the funniest or deepest thing your child told someone else instead of you? Share it in the comments. And if this helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more parenting insights.